Alright YouTube, so we've got a 2021 Can-Am Maverick. I'm going to do the windshield on this thing today. I've already put the brackets in. There's my windshield laying on the floor there, on the ground. So you just undo these 3 screws on both sides. And then you drill a couple of 1/4-inch holes underneath there. There's access holes there. Just drill them out. Put in your J-clip in here for the bolt. And then this just bolts right on, snaps in place. You want to make sure that this is in there just a little bit, leave it loose. And then you can tighten down the rest of these once you get that in there. And then we're going to take these little guys out too, so those come out. They just snap back in place. You can just pop them out with a screwdriver and then snap them back in. Same thing on this side. Just take 3 screws out here. And do the same on this side. You just drill a hole right there and there for your J-nut. So I'm putting it back together. I've already got all that stuff in there. Just snap that back on there. Oh yeah, you got 2 more clips on this side that just pop out, and this just lifts up enough. Don't pull up on this because there is a clip under here that'll pop off there, and I knocked it off, and it's going to be a pain to put it back on, but I'm not going to worry about it for now. I'm going to try to do this one-handed and film with my phone at the same time. I just grab it, set it up in here. It just sets right on top, just like so. Cotton flying everywhere. This guy goes right on there like that. Just going to seat it down in there. And just snap it shut. Down a little bit more. Just like that. Snaps right in there. If you want to release it, you just push those together and pop it out. Up here, got this guy. This goes right through the hole. Goes on there like that, and you just grab it. Give it a snap. I had to use 2 hands to get it. Probably gonna have to use 2 hands to get it again. So I can stick my phone to where it's gonna stay. There we go. Might stay there. And just push with your palms. Snaps pretty hard, but it snaps right in there, locks in. That's it. Come around the other side, same thing. Thing's already in there, it's setting on there pretty good. It should just snap right in place. Locks in there. Same thing with this guy. Set it in there. Let's see. I can do this with my hand at the same time. Set my phone down right here. Come on, phone, stay. Hopefully you can see that. Just push in. Snaps in place. Just like that. And it's in there. Now if I want to take it out, just push the release tab right here, push it out. Do the same on these guys here, and the windshield comes right out of there. Pretty simple. Got my sound bar in too. I still got my roof coming, it's not here yet. But put my wet sounds in. Easy clamps, just clamp right in there just like that. Super easy. Tighten it down with the lock nuts and washers, and just ran my cable down right along the side, right down behind the seat, and secured it in a couple spots behind it, right down to the battery. Super easy. If I want to turn it on, Bluetooth, pushing on the power button until it comes on. Good to go. And the other thing I did with the remote for this guy, instead of putting it on the steering wheel, I put it right down here. So it's right off of my little center console down here by the shifter, so it's out of my way. Got volume up, volume down, of course auxiliary and stuff like that. They do make a subwoofer for this that fits in here somewhere. I might upgrade to that later on, but for now we're starting with this. It's been a nice machine, so I'm sure I'll be making some more videos and I'll be showing you what's going on. Have a good one, guys.